In the name of Allah, the most beneficent, the most merciful. I am Professor Ameer. I hope that you will be doing well. Let us learn phrasal verbs and prepositional verbs. Part 1, H. Meanings and use. Number 1 phrasal verb is call off. Meaning cancel, call back. Sentences. They called off the meeting due to bad weather. He was called off to duty in emergency. Number 2. Carry on, meaning continue, behave foolishly. Sentences. He carried on his work even when it was raining. He carried on to make people laugh. Number 3. Carry off, meaning transport, cause death, steal away, succeed in acting. Sentences. They carried off their luggage to their new house. A dangerous disease carried off the lives of many people. The thieves carried off all his belongings. She carried off the role of a queen and got applause of the audience. Number 4. Calm down, meaning become silent or relaxed, lessen anger or excitement. Sentences. They tried to calm down the people after storm. He calmed down after shouting at me. The excited people calmed down when their leader started his address. Number 5. Cut off, meaning remove, isolate, stop supply or provision, interrupt, turn off. Sentences. He cut off his curly hair and became bald. They cut him off from their company. Water and electricity were cut off from his house because he did not pay bills. He cut me off when I was talking to my friend. Please cut off the noisy engine before you go to bed. I think this video is useful to you. If you find this useful, like this video, subscribe my channel, and press the bell icon for more videos like this. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.